Here I'm making my stuffing. I have a onion that I chopped up, a yellow onion, and then I have some celery that I chopped up. It calls for a cup. I added more. You don't have to. I just went by what the instructions said on the packet. I bought the Pepperidge Farm herbed seasoned stuffing. I got it on clearance. When did I get that? I can't remember. I think, wow, I don't remember when I got these, but I bought a bunch of them so I would have them. I usually make it with my own wheat bread. I set it on, I cut it up in cubes just like this, and I put it in the oven and toast it, and then I make my own. But this in a pinch works just great. The wheat one is much better for you. To the stuffing, or the onion and the celery, I add 5 tablespoons of margarine, and I'm using Earth Balance. And then I'm just going to let this cook down. My celery and onion are still sauteing in that 5 tablespoons of margarine, and they're not done yet. Whoops, they'll be done in a minute. Let them get translucent, sauteed real nice. I have my onions and celery, and they're done. I'm ready to start my stuffing. I have the package of stuffing mix right here, dry. It calls for 2 cups of water. I'm also going to use this vegetarian chicken seasoning. It doesn't call it for any chicken broth or anything. Well, it does. It calls for chicken broth or water. So I'm going to put a tablespoon of this chicken seasoning in my water to mix it up. It just gives it a little bit more flavor. So you could use whatever kind of seasoning you want. You can get all the lumps out of it. I also have my celery and my onion done. I'm going to mix that. I'm going to throw that in real quick. Smells good. Smells really good. Throw that in. I have a 13 by 9 casserole dish right here. It is lightly greased. And here is my stuffing mix. Here is my water. I'm going to add that, 2 cups of water. And I'm going to give this a good quick stir. Then I'm going to put it in my casserole dish. I can make Thanksgiving dinner in just quickly. About an hour, hour and a half. It doesn't take that long. Unless I start making a bunch of fancy stuff, but just the main thing, sorry about that clanking, is not too bad to do. Now you're going to cover this and cook it at 350. Just go by whatever your directions are. 350 for 30 minutes. And we'll be back.